Hello, green thumbs and design lovers. Welcome back to Garden Decor Designs, the place where we bring your dream outdoor spaces to life. Before we start, we want to ask your support to make this channel grow with subscribe to this channel, leave comment, hit the like button or share this video to your friends and family. Are you tired of looking at a cramped, uninspired backyard or balcony and wishing you had more room to create something beautiful? Well, you are in luck today. In this video, we are diving deep into the magical, serene world of small Japanese gardens. You don't need an expansive estate to experience the ultimate peaceful retreat right outside your door. We are going to show you exactly how to maximize every single square inch of your limited space to create a breathtaking Zen paradise that will leave your neighbors completely speechless. A small Japanese garden is a carefully curated landscape style rooted in the philosophy of wabi sabi, which celebrates finding beauty in imperfection, simplicity, and nature. Unlike traditional Western gardens that often rely on sprawling lawns and symmetrical flower beds, a Japanese garden is designed to be a miniature representation of the natural world, using raw elements like stones, water features, raked gravel, and asymmetrical evergreen plants. Choosing this style for a compact yard or courtyard is an absolute game changer, because it relies heavily on deliberate, minimalist design principles rather than sheer size. It allows you to establish a profound sense of depth and tranquility in a confined area. It transforms a cramped footprint into a meditative, low-maintenance sanctuary that offers an escape from the chaotic pace of everyday life. Creating a small Japanese garden is like crafting a peaceful nook amidst the hustle and bustle of life. With the right elements, even the tiniest space can become a serene retreat. One, bamboo and wood elements. Bamboo adds a natural and elegant touch, enhancing the garden's aesthetic. Incorporate bamboo fences or structures for a touch of natural elegance. Bamboo in my garden serves as a gentle screen, providing privacy without feeling enclosed. 2. Zen influence. Zen principles bring balance and tranquility to your garden. Design with Zen principles to create a space for reflection and peace. My favorite moments are spent here, breathing in the calm and letting go of daily stresses. 3. Minimalist aesthetics. Minimalism in design creates a serene and uncluttered atmosphere. Embrace minimalist aesthetics by focusing on simplicity and balance. In my garden, less is more. Each element is carefully chosen to harmonize with its surroundings. 4. Miniature water features. A miniature water feature adds a soothing soundscape to your garden. A small water feature like a pond or a bamboo fountain can bring the soothing sounds of nature to your garden. I love how the gentle trickle of water adds a layer of tranquility to the space. 5. Interactive seating areas. Interactive seating areas provide a space for relaxation and contemplation. Create an interactive seating area for contemplation. This is my favorite spot to enjoy a cup of tea, soaking in the garden's serenity and beauty. 6. Traditional lanterns. Traditional stone lanterns provide a touch of timeless elegance. Stone lanterns offer a classical touch, enhancing the garden's ambience. I like positioning them along paths, turning evening strolls into magical experiences. 7. Miniature bridges. A miniature wooden bridge adds charm and depth to your garden. Add a miniature wooden bridge to create a charming crossing. I find that even a small bridge can evoke the feeling of traveling to a new world. 8. Stone sculptures. Stone sculptures add depth and artistic flair to your garden. Place stone sculptures as focal points. I find these artistic elements add depth and character, drawing the eye and sparking curiosity. 9. Carefully pruned plants. Artfully pruned plants bring elegance and structure to your garden. Meticulously pruned plants and trees bring a sense of order and beauty. In my garden, I find joy in shaping each plant, transforming them into living pieces of art. 10. Cherry blossoms. Cherry blossoms provide stunning seasonal color and a sense of renewal. Plant cherry blossoms for a burst of seasonal color. Their fleeting beauty always reminds me of the joy in each season and the cycle of renewal. 11 Japanese maples. Japanese maples offer vibrant colors and a striking presence in the garden. Include a Japanese maple for vibrant foliage. I love how their leaves change color, offering a dynamic display throughout the year. 12. Heritage plants. Heritage plants offer traditional beauty and vibrant blooms. Opt for heritage plants like azaleas and camellias for traditional blooms. Their timeless beauty always adds a touch of elegance to my garden. 13 Moss and ground covers. Moss adds a lush, tranquil layer to the garden. Cover the ground with moss or low plants to soften the landscape. I cherish the lush, velvety texture moss brings, creating a natural, cohesive carpet. 14 Stone pathways. Stone pathways create a sense of journey and tradition in a small Japanese garden. Laying down a stone pathway not only guides you through your garden, but adds a touch of elegance and tradition. I adore the way stone paths invite exploration, each step leading to a new discovery. 15 Bonsai trees. Bonsai trees bring elegance and tradition to the garden. Integrate bonsai trees for an elegant and traditional touch. Each bonsai in my garden tells a story of patience and care, becoming a living testament to time. Bringing the timeless elegance of a small Japanese garden into your home is truly one of the most rewarding design choices you can make. By focusing on balance, natural textures, and intentional placements, you can easily turn any tiny patch of grass or concrete patio into an exquisite sanctuary of calm. Remember, it isn't about how much space you have available. It's entirely about how you use the elements within it to tell a story and invite peace into your life. If you loved these design secrets and are ready to transform your own outdoor area, make sure to hit that thumbs up button right now. Don't forget to subscribe to Garden Decor Designs and turn on the notification bell so you never miss our weekly styling tips. Drop a comment down below letting us know which Japanese garden element you are going to add to your yard first. Is it the raked gravel, a stone lantern, or a beautiful Japanese maple? Thank you so much for watching, and we will see you in the next video.